How to create easily a customizable online store for free. Hi, in this video we are going to be taking a look at Shopware, an open source e-commerce platform that is quickly becoming a popular alternative to Shopify. Shopware focuses on flexibility and customization, which means you have full control over the design and functionality of your online store, allowing you to create a truly unique shopping experience for your customers. Another key feature of Shopware is its powerful backend administration area. This gives you complete control over your products, order, and customer data, and makes it easy to manage your online store on a daily basis. Additionally, Shopware also offers a wide range of built-in features and integrations, such as multi-language support, SEO optimization, and various payment and shipping options. One of the biggest benefits of using Shopware is its open source nature. This means you have full access to the source code and can customize the platform to suit your specific needs. This can be a huge advantage for business looking to build a unique online presence. Shopware also has a large and active community of developers and users. This means that you can find a wide range of resources and support, which can be incredibly helpful when building and maintaining your online store. To give you a better idea of what Shopware can do, let's take a quick look at the platform in action. Let's start by going to Elestio, login. On your dashboard, select Deploy a service. Let's select Shopware. Keep the default settings, next, and hit Create Service. In a few seconds, we should receive an email with our credentials. Okay, I just received the email with my credentials, so let's go to click here to get the password. It leads us to our service. So copy the password and click on Admin UI. Now hit Root and paste the password. Okay, so the first time you arrive here, you have a quick tour, so you can install language plugin, but we will stay in English. We have the choice between using demo data, which is what we will do, but we can also migrate our shop. So it's useful if you have an existing one, or you can just skip it if you want to create from scratch. Okay, so now we can hit next. We can set up an email provider, and by default there is one, but we will just skip it. We can set up PayPal, which is the default one, but we can install others. You can see in plugins, if you say payment plugins, you will see some payment providers. You also have Stripe, but we will just hit next and we'll keep the default settings. So let's skip it too. Once we are done, we have useful links, but we also have access to them later. Okay, so here is our dashboard. We don't have statistics because we just started our online shop, but if you have sales, you can see it from there. You have access to the documentations. Let's go to our catalogs and see the products. Because we use the demo data, we have many products here. We can create them from here, or on every product, we can hit edit. You have many settings you can configure. It's very powerful. You can select the manufacturer that you can configure elsewhere. You can define the prices and advanced pricing options. You can define the stocks, the categories, the way you sell it, because you can have many sales channels. So you can have some products available somewhere but not on the other application. You can add the pictures. You also have the advanced pricing. It works with rules that you can define in the settings. You have property assignment, and you also have the variant generator. I chose this product because it has variants, so you define the color and the size, and it will automatically generate the variants. You can define specific prices for the variant. Here for clothes, it's unusual to have different prices. But let's say it's a piece of furniture and a bigger one would be more expensive, so it could work this way. So inside your catalog, you can have your user reviews, you have the categories, so you have a nested tree, so you have sub-levels of categories available. You can also define your store properties, so you can use them elsewhere in the product instead of defining them one product at a time. And what I mentioned earlier is you can define the manufacturer and add them. It's a picture and a website and some additional information. You can see here that we can always use translation. There's only Deutsch and English, but you can add anyone you want. You have access to your order, and one great thing is that you can add order manually. So imagine you want to handle phone orders, so you can just discuss with your customer, create it, add the information, the products here, and then you sell it directly, and it's managed at the same exact place. You also have the list of your customer. You can add them, but the one that will be created on the platform will be available here. You also have access to the content. So here are the different pages of your application. It's an advanced CMS to create your shop. So first, let's open it because we didn't take a look at the shop. So if we look at the shop, you can see we have a homepage, which is the one we saw in the CMS. You have access to your account, your profile, addresses, payment methods. So you have nothing to do. Out of the box, you have a working online store. And the great thing is you only pay for the hosting. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. So now let's add a block, like full width one. And with drag and drop, you have different types of block. Let's add 2 colon and teaser text. Let's change the text just to show you. Hello. Welcome to our shop. Let's hit save. And we reload, and it's instantly deployed on our website. So the marketing team can work with the sales team and adapt the website to make more sales. Okay, you also have access to promotions. So you can add a promotion, winter discount. You can make it active, on what channel you want it to be available, from when to what date it's available. You have a lot of parameters, but let's hit save so we're able to add some conditions. So you can say only if we hit 50 euros, we can have a discount, or only on some specific categories or type of customers. You already have advanced rule you can define. And in the end, you add a discount. So it's a percentage or a fixed amount, and you define it. And the last part is the settings. So you have everything available to customize your business. For example, the one we saw earlier, it's the rule builder. From here, you can define a lot of rules. So all customers, you don't have any rule, but you can add condition and say, if my customer match that criteria, then it will be targeted by this rule, and you can do very powerful things. And you also have access to your sales channel, so the headless, which is the API, and you can create API key to make other clients work with it, or on the storefront, which is the one we see here, and you have the configuration here of what it looks like and the default options. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of Shopware and what it can do for your business. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to discover promising open source software. See you soon. Bye bye.